sliding compound miter saw. First one is you're going to push the handle down, and you're going to pull the pin out to let the head come up. Second one is you're going to raise and lower the head to make sure that the guard is working properly. Third, you're going to squeeze the trigger up on the handle and slide the miter adjustment to the position you need the saw to be in to make the cut you're going to make. When you have it in the position you want, you push the handle down and lock it in that position so it won't move. If you need to make a compound miter cut, then the fourth thing you'll do is adjust the miter left and right. You do that by loosening this big knob back here, and then you can tip your saw to the left. If you need to tip your saw to the right, you'll have to push this black button here in, and it will tip to the right. Whatever angle you need, you can read it on this gauge. When you have it at the angle you want, you retighten this knob, and it will hold the saw in that position. Okay? Once you have the saw in the position you need with the right angles on it, you are ready to loosen the knob that allows the bar to slide back and forth. Loosen that knob so your sliding portion of your saw is now functioning. You're going to make sure your tabletop is clear of all objects that are loose. And you're going to want to make sure the piece that you're cutting gets your hand at least 6 inches away from the blade. Okay? So if I'm going to cut this piece of wood, it's dangerously short, but it will get me my 6 inches away. I can keep my hand over here on the outside of the do not touch sign, so I want my hands nowhere inside of here or here, but this board would allow me to cut and keep my hand inside out here. I can also put a clamp here to hold it in place if I wish to. Okay? When I cut, I make sure my piece is flat to the table and square against the backstop. Okay? Alright, if I have my piece in place where I need it, I have my saw and miter set where I need it, I've checked my guards, then the next thing I'm going to check is my cord and plug. I'll take my hand and run it down the cord, feeling for any cuts or nicks, and looking at the cord to see if any wires have been exposed. I will also look at the plug and make sure the plug is intact and nothing's broken at the plug. If everything's in good shape, I can go ahead and plug this machine in. I don't have to worry about it being turned off because it automatically turns itself off. Okay? And those are the steps we go through to set up to use this machine.